I hope this finds you well. And on the countdown to the Euros that are kicking off this week, I watched one of the friendlies during the holidays and enjoyed the football, although I wish there had been more goals. My dad got me into football at an early age. I think he wished he'd had a boy, but was lumped with me as a girl. So got me into football as it was one of his main passions. And my earliest memory is of the World Cup in 1990. I was in year six, and in the summer, England played in the Italy World Cup. And the memories I have vividly are of Gaza crying when England didn't get through. I also had allegiance to Bobby Robson because he was from Ipswich and obviously led the England team that year. And because I'm from Ipswich, I followed him and wanted to see how well he got on, as well as the rest of the team. This is me circled in 1990, in September 1990, when I had just started at high school. And highlighted with the arrows, you can see some of my best friends. Sasha's there in the back row. Next to me was a boy called Shahid, and we used to play badminton and squash together. And over on the other side was Akiko. And we played lots of sport and hung out together as friends. And they were probably my closest friends within my tutor group. You can see some lovely 90s style fashion going on in that picture. Whilst watching the Euros, it was lovely to see and excellent to see the players kneeling before the game started. And in the background there, you can see a board, Hope United. And whilst the game was going on, the Hope United boards were all around the stadium. And I wondered what this Hope United was. So I looked it up and did a little bit of research, and I'm very glad I did. Hope United has been set up and is, I guess, sponsored by BT to tackle online hate crime. Online hate crime is a huge problem in society for people of all ages, of different backgrounds, and it's something that we need to try and tackle. This is an excellent video, very short, but I would like you to watch this, please, and so you can understand exactly what a hate crime is. This video refers to online hate crime, although hate crime can be something that is spoken amongst people in conversation, said in jest, or said in a derogatory way. Please do take a minute to watch the video. Unfortunately, hate crime and inappropriate language is still part of society. Marcus Rashford, you can see his tweet there, 70 racial slurs on his different social accounts only a few weeks ago. I like the fact that he said, good luck in trying to make me feel any worse. Absolutely telling these people that they're not going to make him feel any worse. Unfortunately, there are still some small occurrences within school of people using inappropriate language, and this could be deemed as hate crime, as shown in the video. And this is something that myself and other members of the school would like to tackle. Therefore, our focus for June for our Manners and Kindness is to be tackling racism. We've signed up to Show Racism the Red Card, a charity that has been around for over 25 years now, established way back in 1996 by Shaka Hislop, who was the Newcastle United goalkeeper. He was filling up his car with petrol, and a group of young people started shouting racist abuse at him. They didn't realise that he was obviously one of their heroes and the Newcastle goalkeeper. And when the boys did realise that it was Shaka Hislop, they soon stopped their behaviour. And he felt that he could use his status to try and stop and to try and tackle racism. That's 25 years ago. Unfortunately, we are still trying to tackle racism. Therefore, our focus for June will be tackling racism. We're going to enter the Show the Racism Red Card Schools competition, and there'll be more details to follow on that. I found this as an excellent example on the left-hand side. Stronger together, weaker apart. I think that's a fantastic piece of artwork, and I look forward to seeing more of your artwork. I hope you've enjoyed the assembly. I hope it's made you think, and I will share more details about how we will show Racism Red Card at Magdalen.